Hey, this is Taylor with Litt Industries, and today we're going to be showing you our Yeti 35 cooler mount brackets for 2024 Razor XP 1000. A few great things about our mount is we added a welded gusset here. It's made out of 10 gauge steel, so it's not going to bend. We also added an extra flange down the long side so it doesn't bend this way nor this way, because we all know that the Yeti 35 is a very heavy cooler and we want to make sure it's secure as possible, which is why we also added 2 points of contact for more downforce and it doesn't twist inside your bed. So this is how our mounts work. You have 2 slots in the side of your cooler when your lid is open, and our mounts will set perfectly on each side and go into those slots, so you'll have hassle-free of opening your cooler and closing it. So we have our 2024 Razor XP 1000 bed here, and you'll notice that we have our stud kits installed already in the bed. So you need 2 packs of these to install your brackets into your bed. So the cooler installs into the back side of the XP 1000, and you'll grab each mount, put it into the cooler, and then adjust it where the holes align, like so. Grab your Yeti 35 bracket, place it in the cooler hole, and align with the stud holes. Then you're going to take your knobs, spin them, tighten them, and then you're ready to go.